Hi guys, welcome to LowCodeFX. In this video, we are going to build this landing page where we have created 4 sections, and within each section we have 4 buttons or navigations. So basically from here we can jump to any of the applications, any Canvas app or any screen. So let's get started. Let me add one vertical container x0 y0 width parent width height parent height. Yeah, here I will need one title container. I will use horizontal container. Height, I will set height as 70. Yeah, let me remove the padding, and I'm going to add image. Yes, I will make flexible width, and height I will set it to parent height. Yes, in this image property let me pass one SVG. Yes, I will make it fill. Perfect. And below this I need one horizontal container to add a sections. Insert horizontal container. Yes, inside this I will need one container. I will use this basic container in order to overlap the two controls. I will make this width static of 80. Yeah, I will add one HTML control. Yeah, x and y property 0, width parent width, height would be parent height. Yes, and I will need one arrow button here, so just add button and set height and width 1 minute and set height and width as 30 to 32. Okay, I will bring it at center here. This will be my icon only, and I will use this right arrow, and I will make it transparent. Font size I will set it to 50. Yeah, and color would be white. Now I will pass HTML text here. So inside this HTML text, let me pass one code. Yes, perfect. So here if you see, we are using this code. Let me just quickly copy it and use it in the container. Color property, color value in double quotes. Perfect. Add one grid container. This is the new container. We can set all the controls in grid manner. I will need one container, the basic container. Inside this I'm going to add one image. Yeah, I will use X property as 4040. Width will be parent width minus 80, and height will be parent height minus 120. I will need text here. Enter. Width will be parent width. Yes. Height I will set it to 70. Text will be all tasks. Make it semi bold. Yep. And on top of these two controls I will need one button. This will be x0 y0 width parent width height will be parent height. Let's make it transparent and remove the text. Make sure this button should be on top of these two controls. Yeah, now I'm going to pass one SVG inside this image property. Let me just quickly pass it. Perfect. So basically we will have 4 vertical bars here. In order to set width of this container, I will refer this container, click on make it static width. Width will be parent width minus this container's width into 4, because we are going to have 4 sections, right? And this grid container, I will set column value as 2. Yes, then I will add gap of 70, and same with padding 70 from all sides. Color property would be color value double quotes. Perfect. Set this Y property to 170. Yes, and color should be white. Let's add one border with the light color. Yeah, and I'm going to copy this container 4 times. 1, 2, and 3. I will go ahead and replace all the names and icons. Yeah, and 4th image will be this. Now on click of this icon, arrow icon, I will set one variable where tab num comma 1. Okay, and same I will set as a default on visible of this screen. Okay, and this variable we will utilize on visible property of this grid container. So if this will be visible if this value will be 1. Okay, so this will look like this. Okay, now I'm going to copy these 2 containers 4 times. Control V. So we have 4 pairs basically. So this container, yeah, on click of this button I will set variable 2, and this grid container will be visible if this variable is equal to 2. Same goes here. On click of this button we will set 3, and grid will be visible if value is 3. This is 4, and grid visible property 4. Let's change the titles. This is my dashboard. Third will be documentation, and 4th will be setting. So we are good with this. Let's jump to the dashboard. For dashboard I will use a bit gradient colors. For the container as well, use the same container color. Perfect. And this grid container color as well is the same. Let me use this hex code. This container color, and last one will be this and this grid this. Yeah, so if I jump from another screen to this screen, by default the first tab will be selected. Yeah, now if you see, you can jump from one to another. Let me go ahead and quickly change all the icons and see. And the last one, this. Yeah, so I have added all the icons here. If you see, for each tab we have different color scheme. Yeah, documentation, dashboards, and home. This is very useful when we build a central UI where we need to add multiple canvas apps. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.